Hi, my name is Dr. Shmaila and I am physiotherapist and I will tell you how to remain fit and active in your daily life. First of all, understand what is fitness and what is health. The word health is often associated only with physical fitness, but there are other terms we can use with health. Fitness means readiness. Fit people are better equipped than non-fit people. Level of fitness basically includes all aspects of your health and life. It affects your mental, physical, and social health. Now, what is physical fitness? Physical fitness is the ability of your body's systems to work efficiently. A fit person is able to carry out the typical activities of living, such as work, and still have enough energy and vigor to respond to emergency situations and to enjoy his or her leisure time activities. No, I will tell you 6 ways to improve your health. Look at this. Healthy behaviors. Eat a healthy diet. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, yogurt, etc. in your diet. Take an adequate sleeps almost 6 to 8 hours for a healthy mind. Maintain a healthy weight. Check your BMI regularly. Say no to alcohol. Don't drink. Don't smoke because it is culprit for many cancers and diseases. And exercise regularly, almost 45 minutes 3 times weekly is an ideal period for exercise. Now understand what is physical activity and exercise. Physical activity is any movement that is carried out by the muscles that require energy. In other words, it is a movement a person does in everyday life. Physical activity is a general term basically that includes sports, stunt activities done at home or at work, such as walking, climbing stairs, or mowing the lawn, etc. And exercise, if we define it, exercise basically planned, structured, repetitive, and intentional movement. Exercise also intended to improve or maintain your physical fitness. When people are doing physical activity, especially for the purpose of getting fit, we can say they are doing exercise. Now, what are the benefits of physical fitness? Physical activity, you can say. Regular physical activity can do much to prevent diseases and illness, like it prevent from your heart diseases, and it is also helpful in preventing obesity. It can help you look your best with proper nutrition, good posture, and good body mechanics. Besides looking better, people who do regular physical activity in their daily life do better on academic work and less depressed than people who are less active. Regular physical activity results in physical fitness, which is the key to being able to do more of the things you want to do and enjoy life. It allows you to be fit enough to meet emergencies and day to day demanding situations. Being physically active can build fitness, which in turn provides you with many health and wellness benefits. Now, there are two parts of physical fitness: health related and skill related. Health related physical fitness is basically it helps you stay healthy, and skill related physical fitness it helps you perform well in sports and activities that require certain skills. Now, what is health related physical fitness? Look at these generalized terms to understand health related physical fitness. First of all, cardiovascular fitness, that is ability to exercise your entire body for a long period of time. What is strength? Strength is basically amount of force your muscles can produce. And what is muscular endurance? The ability to use your arm muscles many times without fatigue. That is muscular endurance, that you can say that is stamina. Flexibility, the ability to use your joints fully through the wide range of motion. And body fat composition is the percentage of body fat that is made up of fat when compared to the other body tissues such as bone and muscles. Now come towards skill related physical fitness. What is skill related physical fitness? Different sports require different part of the skill related fitness. Many sports require several parts. For example, a skater might have good agility but not possess good power. Some people have more natural ability in skill areas than others. Good health does not come from being good in skill related fitness. Now comes towards some generalized terms like agility, balance, power. To understand what are these, agility is basically is the ability to change the position of your body quickly and to control your body movement. People with good agility are more likely to be good at activities such as diving, soccer, ice skating, and wrestling, etc. You are looking at these pictures very well. Balance. Balance is basically is the ability to keep an upright posture while standing still or moving. People with good balance are more likely to be good in activities such as gymnast, ice skating, rhythmic gymnast, sky jumping, and surfing, etc. Now, what is power? Power is basically the ability to use strength and speed. It is composition of strength and speed. People with good power might have the ability to put the shot through the discus, high jump, play football, speed swim, swim skate, etc. etc. What is reaction time? Reaction time is the amount of time it takes to move once you realize the need to act. People who have good reaction time are able to make fast starts in track or swimming or to dodge a fast attack in fencing or karate as you are looking in pictures for understanding. Now, what is basically speed? Speed is basically the ability to perform a movement or cover a distance in a short period of time. People with the leg speed can run fast, while people with good arm speed can throw fast or hit a ball that is thrown fast. Thank you. That is all. Hopefully you like it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you again.